Hi writers! Have you ever played with a magnet? Magnets are fun. I noticed that when I put a magnet near something, they stick. With other items, the magnet doesn't have any effect. I want to organize my observations with magnets. I'm taking a look at a tool that we can use to write our observations. It's called an observation log. This is an observation log called a weather journal. And every day a class measured the temperature and observed the weather and the wind. Our observation log is going to look a little different, but this is a great model to use. Do you notice that this log has a title? Weather Journal. I also notice that it has a table and it has headings across the top. We're going to be using a log just like this to record our observations of a magnet. Here, I have started our observation log. Notice I have a title, The Effects of a Magnet. And now I'm going to put my headings. We're going to put on one side of our chart or our table the word object. And this is where I'm going to list all the objects that I'm going to test. Then on this side I'm going to write the effects. Of the magnet. Now, as I'm going to test them, I'll be able to record my observations on this log. Let's go ahead first as I test a paperclip. Here's my paperclip, and here's my magnet. And I'm going to have you do this at home as well. Notice this is also a clip, but it has a magnet on the back. So this is what I'm going to be using to test. So I'm going to put it near my paper clip. Oh! And notice that the paper clip sticks to the magnet. Let's do that again. Aha! So now I'm going to go ahead and record my observation. I'm going to write the word paperclip as my object. And then my effects of the magnet were that the magnet pulls. Now let me test another object. What do you think will happen if I test this marker? Think about it. But before I test it, let me go ahead and record my object. Notice I put it right here on my log. Now I'm going to go ahead and test it. Here's my magnet. Aha! Nothing happened. It does not pull. So that's what I'm going to write on our observation log. Magnet does not pull. So let's take a look at our chart. I see that I have organized my data in a table. I have a title and headings and a spot for me to record my observations. All right, my friends, I'm going to have you do this exact project at home, and you're going to be testing a magnet. For today, I'd like you to write your heading, your title, draw your table or your chart, and then record at least 3 objects for today in your ELA journal. And then come back to this same page tomorrow because we're going to be working on it some more. All right, good luck, writers.